Are you stuck between buying an under construction property or ready to move in apartment? You're not alone, there are many of them. This one decision can save or it can cost you lakhs of rupees and years of mental peace. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you will get 100% clarity. So let's break it down simply. With real logic, not just opinions. Let's start with the under construction properties. You book a flat in a project जो अभी तक ready नहीं हुआ है. It might take 6 months or it might take 3 years also. So why do people go for it? Because it's cheaper than the ready to move in apartment. Sometimes it's by 10 to 30%. And it will give you flexibility on the payment plans. Like you can get a construction link plan, you can get the time link plan, and EMI is also there. And in bonus, you will get a better choice जहाँ पे कि आप आपका पसंदीदा फ्लोर चूज कर सकते हो, व्यू आप चूज कर सकते हो, and in some properties you can customize your layout also. और अगर मैं बात करूँ pros and cons about the under construction properties, so you'll get a flexible payment plans, lower costs, and you have a chance to choose a modern layouts. Now if I tell you about the cons, so then you have to take a risk of construction quality if the developer is not a well known. Second thing, प्रोजेक्ट डिले भी हो सकता है, डिलीवरी टाइमलाइन ड्यू टू द पैंडेमिक सिचुएशन अगर कोई आ गई, सो आपका पोजीशन भी डिले हो सकता है. एंड थर्ड थिंग, देयर इज नो रेंटल इनकम टिल पोजीशन. नाउ लेट्स डिस्कस अबाउट द रेडी टू मूव इन. हियर व्हाट यू सी, दैट्स व्हाट यू कैन गेट. You can see the actual flat, you can check the finish, you can check the sunlight, and on spot also you can take your flat. If you are tired of paying rent or hate waiting, this is your option where you can move in immediately, or else you can rent your house and start earning from the day one. But there's a catch. It's more expensive than the under construction property, जहाँ पे कि आपको full amount upfront pay करनी पड़ सकती है, or else you have to take the bigger loan. Let's discuss some pros and cons about ready to move in. Pros: instant possession, no GST, actual view before buying. Cons: higher price, full payment pressure, less customizations. See, I have seen families who booked under construction property dreaming of a home, but waited for the 6 years due to delay of the property. And other side, I have seen families who decided to go for ready to move, जिन्होंने कुछ ज़्यादा रकम देके they have booked a flat and they have started their new life in just 15 days. So here's how you decide. If you are buying a flat for the investment purpose, ready to wait for 2-3 years, then I will say go for the under construction property. Why? Lower cost right now, future appreciation later. This thing I can assure you. But if you are buying a house to live in it soon, hate renting, या फिर अगर आपके बच्चों के कुछ schools के plans हैं, then I will say go for the ready to move in property. The peace of mind worth the extra price. See, let me make it super easy for you. Here's the decision matrix I have. If you have an investor mindset, then go for the under construction property. If you are an end user, then you can think about the ready to move in property. If you have a tight budget, then you can think for the under construction property. And if you have some urgency, you want some stability, then you can go for the ready to move in property. Now it totally depends on you which property you want to going ahead. But before going ahead, whatever the things I will discuss right now, you have to remember. First, always check RERA registration on the government website. Visit the actual site, not just a sample flat. Always check the developer's past delivery record. इन्होंने project पहले भी deliver किए हैं या नहीं? You have to cross check that thing. Read all agreement before signing. And don't fall for a 2 units left offer. You're buying a future, not a t-shirt. If you're still confused, drop me a comment below. I'll personally reply you and help you to decide. And if this sounds you helpful, just imagine how many others are still confused. So share this video with them. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Movement with Rohan for more informative videos like this.